Students, Namaskar. I am Priyanka Parekh from New Era Global. First, we will do a prayer. So, join your hands and close your eyes. Speak with me. He Sharde Ma, He Sharde Ma, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, तू स्वर्ग की देवी है, संगीत तुझसे, हर शब्द तेरा है, हर गीत तुझसे, हम हैं अकेले, हम हैं अधूरे, तेरी शरण में हमें प्यार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, ऋषियों ने समझी है, मुनियों ने जानी, वेदों की भाषा, पुराणों की वाणी, हम भी तो समझे, हम भी तो जाने, विद्या का हमको अधिकार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ, तू शेष वर्णी कमल पे विराजे, हाथों में वीणा मुकुट सर पे साजे, अज्ञानता का मिटा के अंधेरा, ज्ञान का उजालों का संसार दे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, हे शारदे माँ, अज्ञानता से हमें तार दे माँ. Now, rub your hands, keep on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. Okay, now we will do our revision of our sight words. Sight words कहाँ use होते हैं? Sight words are used for framing the sentence. Without sight words, we can't frame the sentence properly. A, an, C, so, or, my, up, if, in, by, it, is, we, why, go, to, on, no, be, am, at, us, he, 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 me, 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 I, 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 she, she. This is our sight words. Okay. Now this is what we have done in our last class. Okay. At words. Okay. Nut, 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 nut. What's the phonic sound of an N? What's the phonic sound of U? What's the phonic sound of T? T. Nut. What is this? Cut, 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 cut. What's the phonic sound of C? K. What's the phonic sound of U? What's the phonic sound of T? T. Cut. We will see this missing letter activity. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing letters. Means what they have written. Once again we will read. Look at the pictures and fill in the missing letters. मीन्स इसमें लिखा है कि आपको पिक्चर पहले देखना है, फिर उसका जो मिसिंग लेटर है वो यहाँ पे ब्लैंक में लिखना है. ओके. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज अ पप. पप मीन्स जो डॉग का छोटा बेबी होता है उसको हम पपी बोलते हैं. उसको शॉर्ट फॉर्म में हम क्या बोलते हैं? पप. पप. तो इसमें मिसिंग लेटर कौन सा है? पी. फर्स्ट पी और थर्ड पी? थर्ड पी. नो. यू. नो. पी. यस. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या लिखेंगे? पप. पप मीन्स डॉग का छोटा बेबी, उसको क्या बोलते हैं हम? पप. पप. What's the phonic sound of P? Pop. What's the phonic sound of U? Up. What's the phonic sound of P? Pop. Pop. What is this? This is the cup. ओके. कप कौन सा है? जिसमें हम टी वगैरह पीते हैं. छोटा साइज का कप है. बड़े को क्या बोलते हैं हम? मग. और ये कौन सा साइज है? छोटा साइज है, तो इसको हम कप बोलेंगे. तो यहाँ पे मिसिंग लेटर्स कौन से हैं? सी एंड पी. Cup. What's the phonic sound of C? Cup. What's the phonic sound of U? Up. What's the phonic sound of P? Pup. Cup. Cup. अभी क्या कर रहे हैं? ये बॉय सीढ़ियों से ऊपर जा रहा है. ऊपर जा रहा है तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? अप. और नीचे आता है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? डाउन. तो ये ऊपर जा रहा है, तो कौन सा मिसिंग लेटर है इसमें? पी. P. So what is this? Up. What's the phonic sound of U? Up. What's the phonic sound of P? Pop. Up. Means ये क्या कर रहा है? ऊपर जा रहा है. Our class work is, first you have to write the date, then you have to write the class work, and our subject is English, and today's topic is upwards. Okay. Now first we will write here up means ऊपर जाना. up. Means ऊपर जाना. Okay. Now pup means डॉगी का छोटा बच्चा. पपी होता है पर हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में उसको क्या बोलते हैं? पप. Up, pup. Now next is cup. कप में जो छोटे साइज में होते हैं जिसमें हम टी पीते हैं. कप, 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 up, pup, cup. Okay, this is our classwork. Today's your classwork in English textbook, page number 79. And first you will write here date and CW. CW means classwork. This is your classwork. Okay. Now we will read a rhyme. It is cup. It is gup. It is gup. It is gup. Gup is my pup. Gup is my pup. My pup is up. My pup is up. My pup with a cup. My pup with a cup. My pup hits the cup. My pup hits the cup. Once again. It is a gup. It is a gup. Gup is my pup. Gup is my pup. My pup is up. My pup is up. My pup with a cup. My pup with a cup. My pup hits the cup. My pup hits the cup. This is your homework part. Okay. First, this is page number 54 in our worksheet. In our worksheet, first you will write the date and you will write homework. Okay. You have to write today's date here and this is your homework. Okay. Love is a pup. He climbs up and hit the cup. Love is a pup. He climbs up and hits the cup. Okay. Now we will do our homework part. You also write with me and speak with me. Cup, 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 cup. Now, up, 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 cup, cup, pup, so up, cup, up, and next is pup, 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 cup, up, pup. Now we will draw a drawing here. First, you have to draw a square like this. Okay. Then you have to draw a cup like this. This is the cup. This is the cup. Now, next, you have to draw a stairs like this. And the girl is climbing upward. Okay. This is up. This is cup. This is up. Now we will draw again square. Okay. Then you will draw a pup. Okay, like this. This is the pup. Okay. This is your homework in my worksheet. Page number 54. Date you have to write. This is your homework. Okay. Your classwork and homework. Classwork is English textbook page number 79. Page number 79. And what's your homework? English worksheet page number 54. Page number 54.